In Mexico, every meal includes tortillas, and there's lots of different varieties. My fave is simple: wheat flour, water, salt, and fat. Adobo marinade, dried ancho, pasillas, guajillo peppers, and cumin and oregano. Achiote, aka annatto, gives the adobo its distinctive color. A beautiful blend of chilies with vinegar, sugar, and salt. Traditionally made with layers of marinated pork and pineapple, spit roasted for hours, I'm using tender pork loin and rolling the pineapple right in it. Norwegian tortillas, aka lefse, are made with potatoes stuffed with meats, cheeses, and extra long hot dogs. The favorite? Sweet filling. Riced potatoes with butter, cream, sugar, salt, leavening, and flour makes for a lighter, fluffier tortilla than the Mexican version. Like this. Milk and chocolate, simply beautiful. Chocolate's best friend, raspberries. Let's make some tacos my way. Salsa verde, aka green salsa, made with tomatillos, cilantro, and lime. Add some lime crema, cilantro, and radish to finish.
A little bit more. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Just a little bit more.
brunost. The milk is slowly caramelized before the cheese is made for a uniquely sweet and nutty flavor.